Hey, if you're watching this in 2019 at the beginning of the year, I want to wish you a happy new year. And I look forward to a very exciting year with you. Again, this is Romel with the Jax Tutor. We're doing ACT and SAT math practice questions. So here we have a question, a very simple question. We have 7 to the 77 minus 7 to the 76. So we want to know which one of these expressions is equivalent to this one on top here. So the way to think about this is, how can I factor this to make it look like one of the answer choices? So sometimes it's not always clear where we're gonna end up. So we're gonna start with what we know. So here, if you think about here, when you have 7 to the 77, I'm referring to the first part here is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, 77 times. So it's like 7 times 7 times 7, times 7, and you're gonna count this 77 times. Here it's the same thing, minus 7 times 7 times 7, times 7, 76 times. So one time less than this. So now it's kind of rewriting this minus this. So we didn't really do anything here, kind of explaining what this is. So think about if you have 7 to the 77 times, we kind of, because we want to factor, we want to try to start to look at terms that look alike. So if we have 7 to the 77 times, it's kind of like having 7 times 7 to the 76 times. Because if you multiply that 7 into here, it's gonna give you another, it's gonna give you 7 to the 77. So this part here, that's what we have for it. Minus, let's do this one, 7 to the 76. So it's starting to look, it's starting to look easy a little bit. So here, these terms are common, so we're gonna factor this out, 7 to the 76. Factor, what's this one? 7 minus, what do we put here? It's not a 0, it's a 1. Think about here, it's kind of like you had this multiplied by 1. Just like you had 7 multiplied by this. If you have this multiplied by 1, what you have left, when you take this out, you're left with 1. So it's 7 to the 76 times 6, which is the answer choice E. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and the SAT. Thank you very much. Again, this is Romel with the Jax Tutor. Thanks. Bye-bye.